Hey everyone! Right now I would like to talk to you about our ConnectPlaza Building Blocks. What they are, what they do, and how you can use them. As we have demonstrated in our earlier videos, ConnectPlaza's power lies in the use of our building blocks. These building blocks are the foundation on which we have built our product and contain all the functionality you need to fulfill your integration needs. Each block represents a specific functionality that we offer from our library. From connectivity components to handle protocols such as file, FTP, TCP, or HTTP, to data transformers, validators, database and AppServer integrators, webservice and REST connectors, and many other functions that are needed when building integration flows. All the building blocks are located in the type library on the right side of the screen. The blocks are organized in three categories: consumers, services, and producers. These categories correspond to the three layers in our ConnectPlaza flows. By dragging and dropping the components into place, you can use them in your flows. Why do we work with building blocks? Simple, because by using blocks we can easily implement complex technical actions into simple and easy-to-use components. This allows for our users to add various technical features to their integration without having to write any code or understand all the technical details of this particular component. Each building block has a direct link to our documentation, so you can review documentation directly to find all the necessary information needed to use the building blocks in action or find examples on how to use them. Another great advantage of working with building blocks in the cloud is that all updates and new features are directly accessible when they are available. When a building block is dropped onto the ConnectPlaza flow, it can be configured by double-clicking on it. The right side will open the component's properties overview. Here you can specify all necessary settings that are required to operate this component. Once again, the documentation will help you with all the configurational possibilities. Be sure to fill in all the mandatory fields which are identified by the asterisk before you continue to configure your next building block. Once all building blocks are in place, you can move to test your flow by creating a bundle of your interface and performing a deployment to your runtime agent of choice. If you're interested in our product, please feel free to try it now, and please feel free to like and subscribe to your YouTube channel and watch all other great videos on our products, explore our possibilities, or follow our tutorials online. Thanks for watching.